There's nothing worse than having your HVAC system break down in the middle of the summer heat. So today, Bob Briley from We Care Plumbing, Heating and Air is here to talk to me about the benefits of getting a new HVAC system. Thanks for being with me today.
Thanks for having me.
Well, let's start just first of all, a brand new system, you're going to get peace of mind because it's going to work, right?
Yes, the system is going to work. We're going to set it up. We're going to make sure it operates properly. So every time you go ahead and flip that switch on, the system is going to come on for you.
Which is really important because that's the entire key of wanting to have AC in the summer.
Almost
Stay
definitely.
comfortable. So these systems that are a bit older, what are the problems we can run into? How do we know?
Well, you're going to start, systems are going to last anywhere between 10 and 14 years. I mean, then your efficiency level starts to drop. You're going to start having issues with it. You're going to be throwing money at it. You're going to be band-aiding the situation, and you're really not going to get the full uses out of your old system. Eventually, you're going to be putting more money into it than when you could have invested into a new system.
So that cost of ownership just gets a little too high. You're over the threshold.
Yes.
The benefit then of also going to the new system, you're going to save money in just how it runs because they're more efficient, right?
Yeah, I mean, to put it in miles per gallon terms, older systems got horrible miles per gallon. The brand new systems get great miles per gallon.
Right, so that's the cost of using it regularly.
Correct.
Do you think a lot of people put off, it is a large purchase to replace your HVAC system. You have to consider the whole package of price because you're going to save in the long run. How does We Care guide people towards that?
Yeah, we don't really call it a purchase. We call it an investment because you're investing in yourself, you're investing in your home, and you're investing in your comfort of your family.
Which absolutely, it is. You want to be comfortable, you want to enjoy your home and your lifestyle, and if you're hot at home, it's the absolute worst.
Yes, definitely.
So you have to consider all of those price factors, but there's so many systems out there. How do you choose which one?
The best is to have our comfort advisor come out. We're going to sit down with you first, and we're just going to go over what are your expectations, what are you looking for, what's your term of how long you're going to be in the house, what's your comfort level you want. There's a lot of different variables. It's not just chuck on a truck, throw on a system and say, here's your air conditioner, good luck with it. No, we really want to cater to your needs and design the system actually around you.
Right, I mean, if I really prefer my house to be a frigid icebox, I might need a more powerful system than if I just want to keep it around 75.
Correct, exactly. and how often do you use your system? And it all takes some variables for it.
Are there any special offers out there we should know about?
Check our website, there's specials every month.
Specials every month, and of course we'll have those for you on ApprovedHomePros.com as well. So don't get stuck with a broken HVAC system this summer. We Care Plumbing, Heating and Air can help replace your system at an affordable cost. Call them today at 619-333-8646. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked that video, be sure to subscribe.
You'll have full access to see all our videos. From quick tips to full episodes, it's all at your disposal.
That's right. You'll get great information for all your home improvement projects, but even better, you'll have contact information on hand when you need some help.
All the trusted pros in our network are great resources to have. So hit the subscribe button below and check out more videos.